Welcome to our YouTube channel. Ignition Legends is a fresh approach to our passion for cars, die-casts, legendary brands and iconic models.
You're watching this video because of your genuine passion for classic and iconic cars, which makes you an essential part of this community, and I want to personally thank you. This channel serves as a tribute to all the remarkable vehicles that emerged throughout automotive history. The current trends and evolution of automobiles make it essential for young generations to learn about landmark vehicles in car history. I pondered extensively over which car to begin this section of the channel, and nothing seemed better than the SL300, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, an icon in automotive history. This model is among the most prized cars in my collection, not just due to its enormous 1/8 scale, but also because I constructed it screw by screw and piece by piece. I'm excited to present to you the IXO Collection Mercedes-Benz 300 SL in red with a yellow interior. For those unfamiliar, IXO Models is a well-known die-cast model producer located in Macau, China. The origins of the IXO brand trace back to France, but the die-cast division is now part of Premium Collectibles company. The Mercedes 300 SL page has all the technical characteristics of this magnificent die-cast, and if any separate parts are needed, they can be ordered separately from the website. What I can share is that assembling this beast is quite challenging due to its size and weight, particularly during the final stages of the build, so the risk or breaking some plastic parts is high, but replacements can be ordered, so at least you have the peace of mind that you will be able to complete the build. I really wanted to get a large-scale die-cast, and IXO was the only choice I had. If you know any other manufacturers that are offering die-casts in the 1/8 or 1/10 scale, please let me know in the comments. I intend to acquire all the available kits, assemble them, and showcase them in this specific section of the channel, provided that this type of content generates interest. The tiny wonders are certainly not inexpensive. Kindly share your thoughts in the comments section regarding IXO as a die-cast manufacturer and how you believe they measure up against the leading names in the industry. What I can share regarding these large-scale die-casts is that they possess excellent quality, truly remarkable. The paint quality is almost flawless, and the construction accuracy is outstanding. This video isn't sponsored by IXO, although I wish it were, ensuring our opinions remain unbiased. Perhaps someday, this channel will arrive at the stage when die-cast manufacturers will reach out to us to showcase their models and assist in promoting this hobby. We are simply attempting to be truthful and update you as thoroughly as possible regarding what is on offer in the market. The kit consists of 12 boxes containing components, and the guide provides a detailed presentation of every stage of the assembly process. The components are securely stored in separate sections within plastic bags and distinctly marked for straightforward identification. Out of the whole kit, I was just missing one item, the oil filter. I received an alternator in place of an oil filter, and I must say that IXO's service response was absolutely fantastic. They were very prompt and provided me with not just the needed part. The complete kit comprises over 602 components, with 113 of them made from metal. This large quantity of metal components, such as the car body, frame, or bumper, is increasing the assembled vehicle's weight to an astonishing 7 kilograms. The frame structure is constructed from solid metal rods that are meticulously connected. The engine connects accurately to the frame. The front radiator grille is secured to the front of the vehicle with 7 screws, and the headlights are LED. The frame of this beauty features a lightweight tubular design. It is extremely robust, but needs tall door sills. The outcome? The legendary Gullwing doors, a direct result of the frame's design. Kindly examine how this enormous 1/8 scale measures up against a standard 1/18 scale and a sizable 1/12 scale die-cast. The vehicle was inspired by the W194 race car that excelled in motorsport during the early 1950s, but let's begin with the significance of the 300 SL name. 300 originates from a 3-liter engine, while SL stands for super light or super leicht in German. The 300 SL is more than merely a vehicle. It's a symbol. I think, if I'm correct, the priciest Gullwing was purchased for $6.8 million, making it the most costly alloy-bodied 300 SL ever auctioned. In the trunk are the spare tire, the toolkit, and the jack. The gas tank cap can also be found in the trunk, and the level of detail is incredible, with IXO including even the breather tube, although it isn't very visible because of my subpar filming. Sorry about that, but they add it. The total weight of the built vehicle is 6.8 kilograms. Due to its weight, it needs to be positioned on the special stands included in the kit to avoid flat spots on the tires. A technological masterpiece of its era, with enduring impact on both performance and design. Examining the engine compartment reveals the level of intricacy that IXO provides. This was the initial production vehicle featuring fuel injection, enhancing power and efficiency. We can easily see and even read everything that is printed on all the stickers found in the engine compartment. If you enjoyed this content and wish to discover more about this legendary model, please visit the Ignition Legends section of the channel, where we will discuss this iconic car in detail. The hood, the doors, and the trunk are closing perfectly, without gaps. It is really enjoyable to see this precision on a car so large. The front lights, interior lights, and brake lights are operated by 2 AA batteries placed in a special compartment beneath the vehicle. The detail provided by the IXO model is impressive. The dashboard is highly intricate, and the gauges are straightforward to read. An operational on-off switch is activating the headlights. Indeed, the vehicle is equipped with working headlights, brakes, and interior lighting. The door contains switches that turn on the interior light. The brake pedal is operational and is triggering a switch that activates the brake lights. In general, everything is at its best. The level of detail of the steering wheel, shifter, and door interior is also great. Regrettably, a minor flaw exists on my model. The 300 SL emblem on the trunk is missing the number 3, and it's not possible to simply order the sticker. The steering wheel flips to allow an easier access due to high sills. The Gullwing door, pioneered by Mercedes, also known as falcon wing doors or butterfly doors, how they are named in France, portes papillons, are extremely practical in the tight urban spaces. I cannot conclude this video without demonstrating the detail of the manual included in the kit. 253 color pages provide a detailed explanation on how to put together this beast. This vehicle serves as an enduring testament to the intersection of innovation and passion, and I am pleased to have crafted this piece of automotive history from the ground up. If you enjoyed this content and wish to discover more about this legendary model, please visit the Ignition Legend section of the channel, where we will discuss this iconic car in detail. Thank you for viewing, and please like and subscribe if you found this content enjoyable. It inspires me and drives me to keep working on this project. Maintain the enthusiasm alive.